smoked, dredged, deep fried, dry rubbed, sauced and tossed. These wings are going to be delicious. All right, first thing we have to do after getting our wings separated is to get them laid out on a tray here so we can get some salt on these guys so they can do a dry brine for several hours. And yes, these are the same wings I used in my video about these knife saga knives. So we're just going to get some salt on these and let them go in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours just so we can tighten up the skin and get them dried out a little bit. Now we got our smoker set as low it'll go. I got it about 130. Nice smoke shot here. And we'll just get these put on here. This will probably sit on here for about 2 hours. Just enough to get it some smoke flavor on them. Okay, a couple hours later, time to go ahead and get these pulled off. Beautiful smoke color on these. I'm sure they'd be delicious if they were actually cooked, but we'll get these taken inside. Have our oil set at 375. Here's the wings after they're inside. And here is the glaze we're going to use later on them from Meat Mich. This meltdown Yaki glaze. If you want to see the ingredients or the health facts, here you go. All right, now for our dredge, it's going to be really light, so just a little bit of cornstarch. 1 or 2 pinches of some pepper. Remember, no salt in this because we've already salted the chicken. Some granulated garlic. Then we're going to spray our wings down with some oil just so the dredge will stick to them. Give these guys a flip so we can get oil on both sides. Now we'll mix up our dredge real fast. Good job. Get all of our wings thrown in, get them tossed in the dredge. A couple of them go flying out, but whatever. And after they're all nice and covered in the dredge, make sure our oil is up to temperature, and once it is, we'll be ready to get these guys in the fryer. All right, so once everything got to 375, I just threw some wings in the baskets here, put them in the oil. Takes about 7 to 9 minutes. I like to get my wings up to at least 175, just so they have a little bit extra crunch to them. These need some more time, obviously. So let's let those go a few more minutes. Check on them again. Out of the oil, good job. All right. These are done. Go ahead and get these out. Get our drying rack ready. Let these drip dry just a little bit over the oil. Sit there for a second to drain off. Now they're our drying rack. Now that they've drip dried a little bit, get them on our drying rack. All right, with these wings onto the drying rack, we're going to top this with some of this Yaki bomb from Meat Mich. Just get that sprinkled on here real fast. And now with our oil back up to temp, we're just going to get the rest of our wings put in. Again, 7 to 9 minutes. A little bit overdone on these because I went the full time without checking them, but we'll get these onto the drying rack also and sprinkle some of this Yaki bomb on these also. And with having Yaki bomb dry rub on all of these, we're going to get them put into a bowl. Leave a few out for the kids to have, but all the rest of them, we're going to get some sauce on these too. What I'm going to use is just some Frank's hot sauce that I've doctored up with some butter and different spices. Okay, we need more to come out than this, so just take the top off. And we'll get a healthy portion put in there. Nice big amount. Now we'll get all these tossed up in here real fast. Beautiful color on these. You can still see the smoke through the sauce and through the dry rub. Gonna be lots of flavor in these. All right, I think we're all done here. Time to give these guys a taste test. Here's a close-up what they look like in these little containers. Close up of the seasoning and everything. Well, guys, these were absolutely delicious, fantastic wings. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like the video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and comment down below your favorite type of wings. Hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.